What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have the first mod for the 2019 Outback. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we have the ProClip console mount with the magnetic mount for the phone. And this was ordered directly from ProClip. I think the total was $62.48. So let's get to the install. Okay, for the actual install of the ProClip, we only need three things: their alcohol pad, the gap opener, and the actual ProClip. So what you'll want to do first is you're going to want to take your alcohol pad, you're going to want to clean right here, and then you're going to want to wipe it down the side here. Remove any hairs or debris or anything like that. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back for the next step. Okay, once you have everything swabbed with the alcohol pad, you're going to want to tape your gap opener, and you're going to stick it in here, and it's going to go in a little bit of ways, and you're just going to kind of let it sit there like that. And what that's doing is it's going to open up the gap on the right hand side, so you can get this lip under there. Notice you also have an adhesive pad there and at the bottom. So at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and remove those two pads. Alright, this is super simple. It's the same sort of process as before. You have alcohol wipe your surface of your mount, then wipe the surface on your phone where you're going to put it. I chose to put mine under my phone case, and then you'll mount this on the stand wherever you want it to go. I put mine pretty low on my phone just because I want to have room for my cord. We're going to put this on there, hopefully. There's my knee. Alright, we're going to stick this on there right about, that looks good to me, right about there. Press it in, and the install is el dono, complete. Alright, I hope you guys found this useful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the box below. Thanks.